Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add symbols in PDF 2024. So firstly, let's go to Adobe Acrobat and open a PDF. Now, if you want to make a symbol, you have to go to Tools. Then you have to find Stamp. This one, Stamp. Click on this, open. And now, if you click on Stamp again, you will find this Approve Dynamic sign here or anything like this. So I'm gonna click on approve first. You can cancel this one and you can use this approved here. Okay, you can change it here and again click on stamp. You'll find here standard business, and then you'll find here not approved. You can use this here, not approved. You can make smaller or bigger like this with the mouse. Then click on stamp again, click on standard business. Then you'll find here this confidential. Okay, so this is how you can use it, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.